ticking up in the spot with this hot chicken. Swooped at the club, says she in the cop licking. Plot thickens just when I'm about to put it in the belly. Mix hits me on the celly. He got something to tell me, so I bails. Cause shit, I'm living life for real. Went from 12 pony packing to industrial scales of cocaine. But this rain must have fucked with my brain. Cause a nigga left the crib without packing his thing. Fuck it, I'm pushing Lex while these niggas rolling buckets. Life is up for grabs, don't nobody wanna touch it. It's repercussions, hang with killers that will change you without no discussion. Plug with the Russians, get where Mix at. He's always where the naked chicks at. Up in the booth, rubbing on this broad six-pack, a thug. It's almost like we got the same blood. Cause we both down and dirty, but ain't nothing but love. What's crack? Gets the yapping about this Vincent shit. Since you talking about business, he dismisses the bitch. Now he ain't never been scared, but it's fear in his speech. Then he said Santiago got beef. Damn, I've been racing against time, caught up in this life of crime. Trying my best to find my way, just to see another day. Busting shots at all my foes, trying to work off all these blows. Fooling around with trifling hoes, but that's just how my life goes. It's hard to swallow, I gotta blaze my man Santiago. A Puerto Rican stone killer dies his motto. Tonight, not tomorrow, he threw shots and missed. Was he drinking, not thinking, or forgot to mix? It's plug with me, got rich and shed blood with me. I'm the cool, quiet type, but got thug in me. I gets down how I live, Santiago know that. They call me Misery to Don, I put slugs in your back. Shit in me black, sitting back, soaking it in. Can't believe Santiago tried to murder my twin, hurting within. Cause see, we go a long way back. We all grew up together, little league and all that. Then we found crack and all started to stack. Took the wrong road together, now we can't turn back.
Man, fuck that.
Mix interrupt that with a smile. He love this thug shit, nigga born to be wild. We came up with the plot, kept it simple and plain. Don't need no ski mask, nigga, ain't no shame. I'ma murder Santiago, put one in his brain. Then we bounce, what the fuck is this rain? I've been racing against time, caught up in this life of crime. Trying my best to find my way, just to see another day. Busting shots at all my foes, trying to work off all these blows. Fooling around with trifling hoes, but that's just how my life goes. Now we up in the spot, it's filled with hot mamacitas. This nigga is wild, just smiles when he see us. Reach for my heater, fucking with that bitch. Left it on my kitchen table, I forgot my shit. I just slipped, Mix got hit, dropped the shit. Swooped it off the floor and I cocked that shit. Squint in my eyes, let 4 fly from the 4-5. That hit Santiago, no longer alive. Out the spot I dives in a pouring rain. Heard shots from these people, but I just maintained. Felt this pain in my neck, hopped in the Lex. Went down all wrong, so let's see what's next. I just bailed to the crib, it's gonna be some shit. Made a call to the flat, trying to reach this bitch. Had a foolproof plan till we hit that hitch. Opened the door, then I heard this click. What the fuck?